All right, team, we're doing doubles and near doubles on this paper. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Good. So what would one more be? It's 9. Nice job. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So one more is 7. 6 plus 6 is 12. So one more is 13. See how easy that is? You can do the rest on your own. Push pause and then turn it over on the back and push play. All right, here we're going to try some more addition facts plus 2. So you can choose whether you want to use your number line or the dots. But these are pretty simple. We just go 5, 6, 7. And 0 plus 2, that stays the same. 7 plus 2, we go 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 2, we know that's a 10, friend. 2 plus 2, that's a double, it's 4. 10 plus 2, we go 11, 12. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. Good. And then I know that you can finish the rest on your own, and raise your hand for your teacher when you're finished.